Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate pelts in Red Dead Redemption 2 Online solo. This easy guide will help you maximize your earnings by turning one perfect pelt into many. You'll need a valuable perfect pelt, like a 3-star legendary animal pelt, and access to either a butcher in town or your personal camp. The core of this method relies on a specific sequence of actions and a quick session change to trick the game into duplicating your item. Let's get started with the initial setup. First, you need to prepare your setup. Head to any butcher in a town like Valentine or St. Denis, or ensure your camp is pitched with a butcher table available. Next, place the single, perfect, 3-star pelt you wish to duplicate onto the back of your horse. It's crucial that this is the only pelt of its kind on your horse, and that you don't have any duplicates in your inventory. This ensures the glitch works correctly without confusion. Double-check your inventory before proceeding to the next step. Now for the critical part, executing the duplication. With your horse positioned near the butcher, approach and open the selling menu. Navigate to your perfect pelt and select it, but do not confirm the sale just yet. The key is timing. As you press the button to confirm the sale, simultaneously and very quickly, switch to a new session or briefly disconnect your internet connection for about 1 to 2 seconds. If done correctly, you should find the pelt still on your horse when you reconnect or load into the new session, while also having received the money from the sale. After successfully executing the glitch, verify that the pelt is still on your horse and that you have received the money from the sale. If both conditions are met, congratulations, you've duplicated your first pelt. You can now repeat this process as many times as you wish with the same perfect pelt, turning one valuable item into an endless supply of cash. For the best returns, always aim to duplicate legendary animal pelts, as they fetch the highest prices, often hundreds of dollars each, making this a very efficient way to earn money solo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.